Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you to use your Galaxy Avatar feature. So of course, this tutorial assumes that you already have created a Galaxy Avatar. Let me quickly show you where to find the settings in case you have not created it. Go to Settings. Under Setting goes to Advanced Features. Here you go. And of course, scroll down and you have Galaxy Avatar. I have one already created, as you can see here. You create one. I have a separate tutorial on that. You can actually watch that. So that's how to get your Galaxy Avatar. To use the Galaxy Avatar, there are many ways you can use it. You can use the avatar camera. That's basically augmented reality to actually augment your avatar onto your face. All right, guys. So this is the Galaxy Avatar camera. And this is one way you can actually use the Galaxy Avatar. As you can see, it captures what's happening on screen, and you get this very cool avatar that augments over your face. And as you can see, it's using augmented reality. You can have other characters right here as well. Simply scroll over and select, and it will use this feature. All right, guys, so avatar camera, that was just now. You can use also clothes designer. So in clothes designer, you can actually design clothes, and those clothes can be used on your avatar. That's right there. And of course, there's avatar stickers. And of course, avatar stickers is where you use these stickers. I'll show you to use those. That's another way you can use these avatar stickers. Let's use WhatsApp, for example. Let's say you're in a chat. Go ahead and you'll see the keyboard top here. Then click right here. You'll see the stickers. You can use them very easily. So for example, we could use this one. And as you see, this is what it looks like. They can use these in text or any social media app. You can actually use these. And of course, this is how easy it is to use the Galaxy Avatar. So from the camera to make videos that you can record using yourself for the AI avatar, all the way to using it for messages and clothes design that can be used by the avatar. Hope that was helpful, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.